spider eyes jumping-wise, Kirigami graphene, designed for the blind, and coming up for a landing.
It's 4 awesome discoveries you probably didn't hear about.
Most people find the aerobatic moves of flies annoying. But that's exactly what landed this guy, Calliphora vomitoria, a starring role in this new study. The most complete exploration yet of how flying insects land upside down in the blink of an eye. The slow-mo reveals the fly's perfectly timed maneuvers. Well, usually. This research is a step toward better understanding the biomechanical and sensory processes involved. It has implications for neuroscience as well as robotics.
The depth perception of jumping spiders allows them to pounce on targets from several body lengths away. Taking a cue from evolution, engineers have developed a compact, efficient depth sensor that works much like one of a jumping spider's front-facing eyes, calculating distance from different amounts of focus. The team uses a nanophotonic device called a Meadowlands, along with a computer algorithm to build maps that represent distance. The Meadowlands Sensor could be used for tiny robots, small wearables, and lightweight virtual and augmented reality headsets.
As sensors become more common, how do you make them smaller, more durable, and less power hungry? By using the ancient art of Kirigami, of course, to cut and fold graphene, the world's thinnest material. This next-generation wearable sensor can be worn, stretched up to 240%, and twisted 720 degrees. Yet, it returns to its shape and still conducts signals. This graphene Kirigami was developed using a new online platform for nano manufacturing. Researchers are already working on sensor version 2.0.
This research aims to make 3D printing and computer-aided design more accessible to the blind and visually impaired. The tactile display, an actuated array of pins, quickly produces a touchable representation of the user's work in progress. It mimics the geometry of 3D objects designed on a computer. With the design's early success, the team is now poised to improve the scale, affordability, and resolution of the display, as well as the software program.
And there you go. See you next time with 4 more awesome discoveries with funding from NSF.